Hey everyone, and welcome to the Ultimate Explainer. Consider this your strategic briefing for the summer's most chaotic reality TV obsession. Look, if you've been seeing the memes and the gossip absolutely everywhere, and you're kind of wondering why the whole internet is obsessing over a remote villa, well, we're diving right in. We'll be looking at the cast, the unbelievable twists, the brand new upgrades to the villa, and exactly how you hold the power to change the whole game.
So, 18.4 billion. That is the staggering number of minutes viewers spent watching season 7 of this show. Yes, billion with a B. To put that into perspective, it's Peacock's most watched original series for a very good reason. This isn't just a dating show, it's a massive participatory pop culture phenomenon that literally airs in almost real time. But to really understand the sheer scale of the drama we're about to unpack, we first need to set the scene. For season 8, we're heading right back to the breathtaking, sun-soaked Mamanuca Islands in Fiji. It's the ultimate paradise, and it's been the backdrop since season 5. But as returning host Ariana Madix points out, this paradise comes with a pretty major catch. There is absolutely nowhere to hide. With more than 80 cameras strategically placed around the property, and microphones picking up every single whisper, every poolside flirtation, and every secret conversation, it's all captured for the entire world to see.
Section 1. A shocking premiere twist, day 1 drama explodes.
Producers absolutely did not waste a single second getting the drama started. Right after the initial 12 singles entered the villa and formed their very first couples based purely on first impressions, host Ariana Madix forced an immediate, brutal choice. They had to physically stand on either a green circle or a red circle. Standing on the green circle meant you were committing to stay loyal to your brand new partner, making yourself completely off limits. But standing on the red circle, that meant you were staying open to new connections. And why did that matter so much? Because the producers were about to drop a bomb on the villa.
Now we all know the core engine of the show's drama, the bombshell. And producers have promised a massive 12 bombshells this season to keep the pressure on. Our very first 2 bombshells, Kata and Gabriel, walked in immediately after the circle twist. And you know what? They didn't even bother with polite introductions. They just immediately started kissing the Islanders who had chosen to stand on those red circles. Let's look at the starting grid of our first 5 official couples before the absolute chaos hit. We had Bryce and Trinity, Sean and Beatrice, Ania and Casey, Zach and Kenzie, and Sincere and Melanie. Keep these pairings in your head because within minutes, literally minutes, of Kata and Gabriel entering the villa, Kata whisked Bryce and Zach away on dates, while Gabriel selected Beatrice and Trinity. Just like that, instantly, 4 of the 5 original couples were fractured. Section 2. Standout Season 8 Islanders, the key players to watch. To truly understand the emotional whiplash of this show, you really have to look at the incredibly diverse, highly specific personalities the producers have thrown into this pressure cooker. Just look at the immediate devastating fallout of the premiere. We have this quote from Kinsey, who was left alone in the villa in tears after her new partner, Zach, was taken away by the bombshell Kata. Meanwhile, Sean, who was paired with Beatrice before Gabriel swooped in, was left reeling. He was confessing to the cameras that he thought they had great chemistry and just didn't see the steal coming at all. It's raw, it's real, and all of this happened on day 1. Okay, we gotta talk about Zach because his profile is fascinating. Zach Giorgio is actually reality TV royalty. He's the younger brother of season 7 fan favorite Charlie Giorgio. But Zach is bringing a totally different vibe. He's a digital creator based between the UK and Australia. He describes himself as a comic book nerd, a natural introvert, and, get this, a self-proclaimed pillow prince looking for a dominant woman. He also admits to being a quick love bomber who isn't afraid to cry. But here is the absolute best part, his non-negotiable deal breaker. His future girlfriend 100% must love his cat Lola. If she doesn't, she is right out the door. It's not just reality TV royalty in the mix, though. Take Beatrice Hatz, representing a really refreshing shift in casting. She isn't your typical social media influencer. She is a Paralympic bronze medalist. This season is bringing incredible, diverse backgrounds to the dating pool. I mean, we even have a serving police officer from Pennsylvania in the mix. Beatrice was one of the Islanders who caught bombshell Gabriel's eye immediately, leading to that dramatic day 1 date away from the rest of the group. But look, no matter who pairs up right now, they all have that looming, infamous threat waiting for them on the horizon. Casa Amor. As always, this is when relationships are put to the ultimate test. The producers will split the men and women into 2 completely separate villas for several days, introducing them to an entirely new group of gorgeous singles. It is basically psychological warfare disguised as a tropical vacation.
Section 3, upgrades in the villa, touring the battleground. Because the villa isn't just a house, it is a custom-built, two-story battleground, meticulously designed by producers for maximum romantic impact and, yeah, maximum gossip. Just think about these new features. First off, the massive pool is covered by a minimum of 5 flattering camera angles, ensuring literally no hushed conversation is missed. Upstairs, we have Soul Ties, a secluded outdoor daybed designed for those intense heart-to-hearts. There's a slick speakeasy complete with love potions, and brand new for Season 8, the Say Less Waterfront Lounge, which is this outdoor oasis tucked away in the palm trees. They've even added an interactive photo booth so Islanders can capture memories, though, as host Ariana Maddox joked, the printed photos are yours to keep, but the relationships are highly subject to change. But out of all the spots, there is one location in the villa that everyone dreads: the fire pit. Islanders can be called here at any time without any warning whatsoever. This is where dreams are crushed, where shocking dumpings happen, and where host Ariana Maddox delivers the harshest news of all. Because when you're at the fire pit, any decisions made by America's vote are immediate and they are completely binding. No second chances. Section 4. You control the game. The power is in your hands. Here's the coolest part. You aren't just watching. You're the ultimate puppet master of Season 8. The producers might cast the Islanders, but you completely control the game. To play along, you stream the show daily on Peacock. Episodes drop every single day at 9 p.m. Eastern, except for Wednesdays. Then you open the completely redesigned Love Island USA app at Showtime to stay in sync with the live broadcast, and you vote. Throughout the 6 weeks, you will vote to influence key moments like who goes on dates, who gets dumped from the island, and ultimately, who walks away with the grand prize of $100,000. And what's brilliant about this newly updated app is that it's your absolute VIP all-access pass to the villa. Alongside voting, you can sound off in real-time fan polls to see if the rest of America agrees with your hot takes. You get first-look previews before the episodes even air, steamy photo galleries, and really fun quizzes. You can even access the official store directly to buy the iconic personalized Love Island water bottles and merch. It really is the ultimate hub for fans who want to immerse themselves completely in the season. So, we've covered the stunning Fiji villa, the completely chaotic day one twist, the bombshells that are already wrecking homes, and the incredible cast trying to navigate it all while you judge their every move from your couch. The stage is set, the cameras are rolling in real time, and the app is live. The only question left is, are you ready to play along, cast your vote, and decide exactly who survives the villa this summer? Because the power is entirely yours. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and